State, Eli Davis, the former naval security officer convicted of selling top-level military secrets to the Russians, has broken out of this maximum security federal prison.
Lieutenant Commander Kate Timmons has been married before.
He destroyed my trust. What's over is over. I want him caught.
And suffered the ultimate betrayal.
There are those in the Navy who believe you knew more about your husband's treason than ever surfaced. Who believe you gave up Eli Davis to save yourself.
Now, she's married to the U.S. Navy.
While I was at Hood River, we worked on many advanced weapons concepts, but the one with the most criminal potential was a project code-worded Aladdin's Window.
And she won't be betrayed again.
It's a logic bomb. Once it's entered a computer system, it can answer the system's security probes, and then mull deeper until finally it is the system, making it terribly attractive to political extremists.
1,100 hours a day, the White House received an online communication. These people say they are poised to mask air traffic control for 30 seconds. Can they do it?
How much are they asking?
$20 million. Can they do it?
Pay them.
I'm not killing women and children. You got a dead guy here. No!
Love and Treason, a Paramount picture.
I've got something for you. It's for love, not luck. Because you dance like an angel. Excuse me, are you Sarah Johnson?
Your mother's been involved in an automobile accident.
Hey, you dated?
I used to.
Guess it was pretty tough. Leaving all your friends, having to say all those goodbyes.
Cool outfit. Slamming outfit. Oh. Sarah, how do you get your legs to twist like that?
I used to dance. You used to dance.
It's really not a big deal.
I think it is.
You should hit steps with us tomorrow night.
Steps ain't no square dance.
It's alright, I dance in circles, probably around you. Seems like they're letting anybody in. Quit it, Nikki.
I am walking on eggshells just because you brought the Brady Bunch to the Negro Club.
I'm supposed to be busy by now, remember? All those circles you danced around me?
Oh, sorry. What's he doing? Two-stepping?
Maybe you wanna hook up sometime? Smoke any moves.
Yeah, sure. You want?
Make that sound with me. Make that sound. Wait, you sitting down for tea or something like that? It's the slouching thing, the slouch. You act like you don't know who you are no more, Derek.
I don't get you two. I mean, come on, Malachi's scary.
You don't have to understand. He's my friend, Sarah.
I called Juilliard for an application. They're holding auditions next month.
Then let's get ready then. This is some SEX and those HIPs, alright?
I used to practice 3 or 4 hours a day. I'm never gonna be ready in time.
What do you want? Do you want Juilliard?
What I want is to wake up and see my mom again. It was my stupid dream, and all she wanted was for it to come true.
And I bet you still want it to come true. You can do this. It's how you were born to do it. Now show me some attitude.
Now I'm cool, huh?
You're almost there.